you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hello, Griswold gang, and thank you for tuning in for another one. Glad to be here. Thank you guys for being here today. Guys, if you are new to this channel, new to the Strat, or struggling in your trading, we're about to change the way that you guys trade in the market and grow your account. If you haven't done so yet, go down below, click that subscribe button, and then hit that bell. That bell gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day. Okay? I send out, this is a top 5 video for Thursday, June 30th. I send these out for you guys every single day. I send out a main watch list video every single day. I send out weekly swings, monthly swings, quarterly swings. Okay? And I've got 200 plus videos for you guys to learn off of and help you grow as a trader. 200 videos. And we go over everything from what these numbers are here at the bottom of the candlesticks, to broadening formations, to entries and exits, how to manage your trades, trade reviews, Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule, the hashtag 30 and 30 setup, okay, inside bars, outside bars, double inside bars, 200 plus videos for you guys, all for free, okay? You can also go find me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold, and if you guys have questions, you can DM me there. I'll get back to you the same day. You can make comments there. I try and put out as many trades on Twitter as I can throughout the day. I will notify you guys before the trades set up or as they are setting up, so you guys have an opportunity to go take a look and decide if you want to jump into the trade. Okay, I have a couple points here I want to go through before we get started. Number one, if you guys aren't using, so this platform that I use here is it's called TradingView. So if you guys aren't using this and you are a new user to TradingView and you haven't signed up for it yet, I have a link down below. You guys can click on that TradingView link, and that'll give you a 30-day free trial. And then if you decide to subscribe to one of their 3 packages, you'll also get up to $30 off from that package if you use that link. Okay, so that's in the description below, and it is only for new TradingView users. If you're already using it, it will not apply to you. Okay, and the other thing, guys, I thoroughly enjoy making these videos for you guys every day. I don't know what it is. I get enjoyment out of it, and I really enjoy. It's a fact that hopefully it's helping you guys, and that's probably what gives me the joy. And I want to be able to help you guys become what you want to become as a trader and in life. I want you to be able to have the opportunities to do things that maybe you can't do right now, but trading will give you those opportunities. So I'm here to help you guys out with that. So I take a lot of time doing these videos, and I want to keep them free, and I want to keep the money in your pockets. The way we can do that is to let the advertisers put ads on these videos. And if you guys watch those ads, and you don't have to watch them, just let them play through. And I know it sucks. I know some guy told me there's like a 2-minute ad back to back. I don't get to set those up. And if you guys don't want to watch them, fine. But I'm trying to keep this free for you guys. So if you let those ads play through, it allows the advertisers to pay for your guys' education. It keeps the money in your pockets and in the stock market, and allows this stuff to continue to be free. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the ads. And if you're already following or subscribing, then thank you for that as well. I think I've got everything. The one other point I said in the other video, I want to thank Natalie as well. I'm not going to mention her last name. She knows who she is. Thank you for that super sticker, or that super thanks. That's that little heart that you see at the bottom of the screen with the $sign in it. That's basically just a donation button. It's a super thanks for doing what we're doing here. And so Natalie gave quite a substantial amount. So thank you very much, Natalie. It's very much appreciated. Thank you very much. So if you guys want to do that, you can click that button. There's a bunch of different options, or you can click the link in the description below for the PayPal donation. Let's go get started on this top 5 watch list. The first one I've got is NEO. Guys, the only reason I've got NEO on this top 5 is because I love NEO as a stock, and it's got a setup for me, and I love playing NEO. It's got a small spread between the bid and the ask, and it's got cheap premiums. And I will play it every day if I have the opportunity to, okay? So 2 down, finish green. 2 down meaning we only passed the bottom of the previous candle, and it's green, so it's trending back up. If we want this week to turn green, it's going to be right here at the bottom of this outside bar, the body of it. And then the day, the week, and the month will all be green. I'm looking for this to trigger at 22:30, and we can take calls there, and then first targets are right here. If you guys are having trouble with your stops and where to get out of a trade and how to manage it, go check out my recent trade review videos that I've done over the last probably week or so in June. Those should help you guys out on where you can potentially put your stops or get out of a trade, okay? Next up, we've got AMC. AMC, I believe, had a 2 down that finished green. It did. So we have this inside bar or a 1 bar followed by a 2 down. We're looking for a 2 up. This is what's called a Rev Strat, okay? A 1-2-2 reversal to the upside. It basically is a 2-2 reversal, but it's got a 1 on one of the preceding candles. So instead of a 2-2 reversal, it's a 1-2-2 reversal. We can look for calls at 1391, first targets at 1429. Pretty good magnitude there, or gap to get to profit. The day and the week are both green. If we are to switch that month to green, that month will switch to green right here at 1401. I'll put in a line there so we can see where it is. We go back to the day chart. That green line is where we turn the month over, where we flip the month. Okay, so if we trigger and go through there, the day, the week, and the month will all be green. And you know, there's only 2 days left in the month, so realistically, it is what it is. And then the quarterly, we're not flipping the quarterly to green. It's way out there, but it is at the bottom of a broadening formation that we have here, and that's actually from a smaller time frame. But we can look for that to possibly come back up over the next 3 months potentially, but we'll go over some of that stuff in the quarterly video that will be out probably on the weekend, because I will not be around on Friday. I might be around on Friday. We'll see. Again, so we go through AMC. That's good. The next one, third on the list, and these are in no particular order. They're not set up 1 through 5 or 5 through 1. So CL's got a 3-1 setup. Outside bar, followed by an inside bar. If you guys follow me, you know this is a rare pattern. It doesn't happen very often. And you know that it's highly profitable and highly probable that it works out in our favor. So, in saying that, 3-1 is an outside bar followed by an inside bar. Outside bar breaks the high and the low of the previous candle. Inside bar stays within that range. It's coiling, it's consolidating. It's like a spring getting ready to explode, okay? We have the day, the week, the month, and the quarterly all green. And I know a lot of guys don't like trading when these yellow circles mean it's an inside bar. So I know a lot of people don't like trading those. I don't mind it personally. It's not something that I necessarily look for. But we have this set up, so we can take calls at $80, first target at 80.38. We can take puts. I would like to see this thing go to the high side based on what we see here with these 4 time frames being green. But puts you can take if you like. 78.98 is the trigger. Okay, it's just a less probable trade, and it may hit and reverse on you. Okay, that's the only thing. Keurig Dr. Pepper, KDP, a cheap premium play. So, Shannon, if you're watching this, KDP would be one for you. I know you said you trade with a small account, and I know you're from Canada, and I know those fees are crazy high. So, KDP and Coke is going to be one of the next ones we look at. Both of those, and even CL and Neo and Pfizer is another one we're looking at. So, all of those have cheap premiums for you, okay? So, KDP, outside bar, inside bar again. Break to the high side at 35.96, and if we do that, this week turns to green, and we've got 3 in our favor on the day, the week, and the month. Okay, so calls at 35.96, really nice magnitude to the top side here, okay, or pivot points or targets, whatever you want to call it. And to the downside, it's puts at 35.52 and not so great of a target to the bottom side. Not a huge gap there. Coke is up next. KO. KO, also a 3-1 setup. So again, cheap premiums usually on Coca-Cola. Calls at 63.10, puts at 62.43. I will mark this target for you there. And there you have Coca-Cola on your list. Okay, Oracle is next, ORCL. Oracle, 3-1 setup as well. A bunch of these on the daily setups for tomorrow. Calls at 70.09, puts at 68.78. I'd like to see this go to the downside. Again, based on the fact that the week, month, quarterly, and yearly are all down, trending down. I'd like to see this trend down. It gives us a higher probability that this trade is going to work in our favor, okay? That's on Oracle. And the last one I've got here, is it the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. PFE, this would be bonus play number 2. So this is the 7th one I'm going through. Inside Bar and Pfizer, cheap premiums on this one again for you guys with smaller accounts. Calls at 51.44, puts at $50.66. And again, I'd like to see this go to the downside based on this time frame continuity. And that's it, guys. That's your top plays for tomorrow. Good luck on Thursday. I hope you guys do really well. I hope you're green. I hope you're green on the week. Make sure you're watching on Twitter for plays that I may possibly send out. Follow me there. Subscribe down below. Click that bell. Watch those ads. And we will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.